Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 12th Maths First topic number 5 vectors exercise 5.1. Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 12th Maths First. Student, we had started topic number 5 vectors. In earlier videos we had seen what is the vector, what are the different types of vectors and algebra of vectors. In that we had seen addition, subtraction of vectors. Then also we had seen scalar multiplication, triangle law of vectors, parallelogram law of vectors. All these things we had covered in the first video. In the second video we had seen some theorems which are based on collinear vectors and coplanar vectors. When the vectors are collinear and when the vectors are coplanar. Student, in this video we will see exercise 5.1. So let's start today's video. See in the textbook page number 151. Examples in exercise 5.1. Question 1 is C. The vector A bar is directed due north and magnitude of A is given 24. The vector B bar is directed to west and magnitude of B bar is given 7. We have to find magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. Okay. So let's start. See. Question number first. Vector A bar is directed due to north. You know the position east, west, south and north. So A bar is given in the north direction. So you write here in this way. This is the vector A bar in north direction. And B bar is given in the west direction. West means here. This is the vector B bar is here. So we add this. This is the triangle formula. You take this triangle as A, B, C. So what do we have to find? We have to find magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. We want this. Okay. So here first we had given A bar is given. A bar is given 24 and magnitude of B bar is given 7. Okay, these two magnitudes we had given. Now we find magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar. See, by triangle law of addition of vectors, A bar and this is B bar means we get this as A bar plus B bar. Okay, by triangle law of addition of vectors we get C A bar as A bar plus B bar. So we find magnitude of A bar plus B bar. C. We first find CA. By Pythagoras theorem we find B. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem you can write CA square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, you know the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the AB? AB means A bar. Its magnitude is given 24. So you write here 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is 25 square is 625. 25. So 24 square is 6. 4 to the 8 to the 16. 576 plus 49. You get this as 624. So we get CA is equal to 25. Okay, we get CA as 25. But we want A bar plus B bar, its magnitude. Here we get, therefore we can write AC bar is equal to 25. AC bar means here, observe, AC bar means magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar is equal to 25. So we get the final answer as magnitude of A bar plus magnitude of B bar is equal to 25. Okay, understand? See student, question number second. In the triangle PQR, we had given PQ bar is given to A bar. So I draw here first triangle PQ bar. Here I draw triangle PQR. Okay. We had given PQ bar as 2A bar. This is PQ bar we had given 2A bar. QR bar is given 2B bar. And see, the midpoint of PR is N. N is midpoint of PR. Given. Find the following vectors in terms of A bar and B bar. We have to find PR bar first. We have to find PR bar. Second, we have to find PM bar. And lastly, we have to find QM bar. Okay. We find one by one. See, where is the PR bar? In this direction, PR bar. So how we find PR bar? PR bar by triangle law. See, PQ bar plus QR bar is equal to PR bar. Okay. By triangle law of addition of vectors. Law of addition of vectors. You can write PR bar is equal to PQ bar plus QR bar. Okay. What is PQ? 2A bar plus 2B bar. So we get PR bar as 2A bar plus 2B bar. Okay. Similarly, see, next one, this is the first. Second, we want PM bar. See, where is the PM? We find PR. Now we find PM bar. PM bar is equal to half PR bar because N is midpoint of PR. Okay. So we get here half into, what is PR bar? 2A bar plus 2B bar. You take 2 common here, half into 2 into bracket. A bar plus B bar. 2 get cancelled. So we get here PM bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. We get PM bar as A bar plus B bar. Lastly, we find QM bar. See student, how we find QM bar? QM bar, we find QM bar as QR bar plus MR bar. Okay. So we first here find RM. How to find RM bar? RM bar is half RP bar. Okay. Understand? See. Now we want QM bar. Means this. I want QM bar in this direction. So how we find QM bar? QR bar plus RM bar in this direction. So we get QM bar. बघा ट्रायंगल अनुसार तुझं जिथं स्टार्टिंग होतंय आणि एंड होतंय तिथं लास्ट तुझं एडिशन यायला पाहिजे. QR bar plus RM bar is equal to QM bar आहे. मग आपल्याला QR bar मिळते 2B bar आहे. RM bar मिळते का नाही? तो पहिला आपल्याला RM bar काढायला लागेल. ओके. RM bar. How to find RM bar? RM bar is half of RP bar. Okay. Half. We know RP? No. We know PR. PR we know. We don't know RP. So we write here minus half PR bar. Because you had seen the negative of vector PR bar ह्या डायरेक्शन आहे आणि RP bar वरच्या डायरेक्शन आहे. त्यामुळे मॅग्निट्यूड सेम असणार आहे पण डायरेक्शन काय असणार आहे? अपोजिट असणार आहे. So we write half RP bar as minus half PR bar. Half minus half. A bar plus 2 B bar. Take 2 common. A bar plus B bar. So we get minus A bar plus B bar. R n bar. We get minus A bar plus B bar. Okay. So we get QR and Rn bar. So we find third Qm bar. Now Qm bar is equal to QR bar plus Rn bar. What is QR? QR is 2B bar plus Rn bar is minus A bar plus B bar. 2B bar minus A bar minus B bar. 2B bar minus B bar is B bar minus A bar. So we get 2M bar as B bar minus A bar. Okay, understand all these three conditions. You use the triangle law or parallelogram law correctly. In this way we find the question number 2. See student, question number 3. O, A, B, C, E, D, E is a regular hexagon is given. So you first draw regular hexagon here. I here the diagram draw. Okay. This is the regular hexagon. Name the regular hexagon as AB, ABCD. We write AB, OABCD, OABCDE is the regular hexagon is given. The points A and B have position vectors A bar and B bar. This is A bar and this is B bar. Position vector of OA bar. Point A is OA bar, divided by A bar, and position vector of point B is OB bar. It is given B bar, respectively. Referred to the origin O. Find the in terms of A bar and B bar position vector of points C, D, and E. Means here we have to find OC bar. We have to find OC bar, OD bar, and OD bar. Okay. We have to find here OC bar, OD bar, and OE bar. Okay, understand what we have to find? Now, for finding OC bar, I join here OC bar, then OD bar, and this is OE bar. Okay. For OC bar, we must know OB bar and BC bar. Okay. So we first find how to find OD bar, OC bar plus OD bar, how to find OC bar plus CD bar. OA bar and BC bar are in the same. Okay. So first you find here. First you find. If I join all these points, see, in this way, if we join all these points, then see, first you find AB bar. How to find AB bar? AB bar in this direction. AB bar is equal to AO bar plus OB bar. And AO bar is opposite direction. So take minus A bar plus B bar. We get AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. Okay. We get AB bar as B bar minus A bar. Now AB bar is equal to same ends. Here I take the point as ends. Suppose here take I point N. AB bar and OM bar are same because this is the parallelogram. Quadrilateral OABN is a parallelogram. So AB bar is equal to OM bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. So we get this OM bar. We want bar as B bar minus A bar. Same OM bar. Now we want OC bar. M is midpoint of OC. Okay. Here M is midpoint of OC. M is midpoint of OC. M is midpoint of OC. Therefore, we take OM bar. OM bar is equal to, OC bar is equal to twice OM bar is equal to 2 into B bar minus A bar. We get OC bar is equal to 2 into bracket B bar minus A bar. First we get OC bar. OC bar is equal to 2 B bar minus 2 A bar. Now we find OD bar. OD bar is equal to OC bar plus CD bar. Okay. OC bar. Next we find OD bar is equal to OD bar means OC bar plus CD bar. OC bar plus CD bar. OC bar we have calculated 2B bar minus 2A bar plus CD bar. What is the value of CD bar? CD bar is equal to OA bar. Okay. CD. We write CD bar as here OC bar plus CD bar we write as minus DC bar. So what is the value of DC bar? A bar. We get minus A bar. 2B bar minus 3A bar. We get OD bar as 2B bar minus 3A bar. And lastly we find OE bar. How to find OE bar? See, OE bar is equal to OM bar plus ME bar. Okay. OE bar is equal to OM bar plus ME bar. OM bar we have calculated OM. See what is the value of OM bar? OM bar B bar minus A bar plus ME bar. ME bar value is minus EM. We take here OM bar plus minus EM bar. OM bar value is B bar minus A bar and minus EM bar is equal to minus A bar. We get B bar minus 2A bar. This is the OE bar. Okay, understand? This is hexagon is given. We join all the points. First we find AB bar. In this way, AO bar plus OB bar is equal to AB bar. बघा यामध्ये डायरेक्शन मधून छे AB bar इधर तुम्ही BO bar plus OB bar इधर रॉन्ग होणार आहे. AB bar म्हणजे किती येणार आहे? AB bar. A स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट याला बघा D एंडिंग याला बघा. A ला स्टार्टिंग करायला पाहिजे. AO bar plus OB bar. AO bar plus OB bar. AO bar is minus A bar plus B bar. You write B bar minus A bar. Now this is parallelogram. So OA bar is equal to MB bar or AB bar is equal to OA bar. We find B bar minus A bar. Next we find OC bar. OC bar. How we find OC bar? OC bar is equal to twice OM bar. And OM bar we had calculated. Then we find OD bar as OC bar plus CD bar. OC bar we had calculated. CD bar is nothing but minus DC bar. Okay. And we put the value. And lastly OE bar is equal to OM bar plus ME bar. ME is equal to EM bar minus A bar. Okay. See student, question number 4. ABCD is a regular hexagon is given. See, it is a regular hexagon is given. I draw here the figure. Okay. Name this hexagon as A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a regular hexagon is given. We have to show that AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 6AO bar. Okay, we have to prove this. See student, direction, this is AB bar plus BC bar is equal to this is AC bar. Then this is AD bar, AB bar plus CD bar is AC bar, DE, EF. Okay, and lastly you take here, this direction AF bar and AD bar and you join this. Okay, this is the direction given. So AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 6AO bar is given. Okay, O is the center of the hexagon. We have to prove this. So first we see AB bar plus BC bar is equal to AC bar. AB bar plus BC bar. AB bar plus AC bar we can write as minus BC bar. See student, this is regular hexagon. So opposite sides are equal. You can write, see in the answer, A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. It is a regular hexagon. So we can write AB bar is equal to ED bar. Also AF bar is equal to CD bar. Okay. Now you find, see, we can write AD bar as AB bar. We can write AD bar as AC bar plus CD bar. Okay, AC bar plus CD bar. See, now we write AD bar. AD bar we can write as AC bar plus CD bar, or you can write AC bar plus CD bar plus AF bar. Okay, and again you can write AD bar as AE bar plus ED bar. Also we can write AD bar is equal to AE bar plus ED bar. AE bar plus ED bar. Okay, we write AE bar as this plus, what is ED? ED bar means AD bar. Okay, this is from equation first. From equation first. You call this equation number first. Okay, now take LHS. LHS is AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar. Observe student here, AC bar and AF bar, AC bar and AF bar. We can write as AD bar plus AE bar plus AB bar. You can write this as AD bar. Okay, and last is this AD bar as is. Understand? So it becomes 3 times AD bar. LHS becomes 3 times AD bar. See AD bar. And AD bar means we can write 2 times AO bar. AD bar we can write as 3 into 2 times AO bar. As O is midpoint. O is midpoint of A. So lastly we get 6 AO bar. It is nothing but RHS. So we get here LHS is equal to RHS. That is, we have to AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 6AO. Okay, here we completed question number 4. See next, fifth question. Check whether the vectors 2i cap plus 2j cap, 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap and lastly 3i cap plus 4j cap. 3i cap plus 4k cap. These three vectors form a triangle or not. We have to prove this. We suppose this is AB bar, this is BC bar, and this is AC bar. What is how to say that it is formed triangle or not? If sum of 2 is equal to the third side, means AB bar plus BC bar, we get AC bar. Then we say that it forms a triangle. So we find here AB bar plus BC bar. What is AB bar? 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus BC bar is minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. 2 minus I is minus I cap plus 5j cap plus 5k cap. It is AB bar plus BC bar. It is equal to AC bar. See here, it is not equal to AC bar. Here three vectors do not form a triangle because AC bar is 3i cap plus 4j cap. Here we say that AB bar plus BC bar is not equal to AC bar. Therefore, these vectors, three vectors do not, therefore the three vectors do not form a triangle. Do not form a triangle. Okay, understand? Similarly, what is the sixth one? Question number 6C. What is given? In the given figure is given, triangle PQR is given, PQ and R. Triangle PQR is given and point S is given here. PQ bar is given A bar, B bar. This is given A bar, B bar, and PS bar is given C bar. Then what we have to prove? Express C bar and D bar in terms of A bar and B bar. This is given D bar and this is in opposite direction given minus B bar. We have to express A bar and B bar in terms of C bar and D bar. Okay. So here we find first the PQ bar. PQ bar is equal to, how to find PQ bar? A bar we have to find na? PS bar plus SQ bar. What is PS? C bar plus minus B bar. PQ bar is A bar. Therefore, we write A bar is equal to C bar minus B bar. Okay. Next, we find V bar. PR bar is equal to PS bar plus SR bar. PS means C bar and it is B bar plus D bar. Okay, we get A bar is equal to C bar minus D bar and B bar is equal to C bar plus D bar. Now we adding equation 1 and 2. We have to express C bar and D bar in terms of A bar and B bar. We add, you call this equation number first and second. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get A bar plus B bar is equal to twice C bar. From this we write the value of C bar as C bar is equal to half A bar plus B bar. That is C bar is equal to half A bar plus half B bar. Thus we express the C bar as half A bar plus half B bar. Now you subtracting 1 and 2. We get a bar minus b bar is equal to c bar minus d bar plus c bar minus d bar. C bar minus d bar minus c bar minus d bar. C bar will cancel minus 2 d bar. So we get d bar is equal to minus half into bracket a bar minus d bar. So we express the c bar d bar as d bar is equal to minus half a bar plus half d bar. You can write first b bar and then a bar also. Okay, this is the question number 6th. So students, in this video we had seen some examples in exercise 5.1. Question number 1 to question number 6. Remaining examples in this exercise we will see in the next video. Your today's homework is solve question number 1 to question number 6 of exercise 5.1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.